I first knew my life would change forever when I loaded a cassette into my BBC Micro Model B in the winter of 1984 and hit play. The snow was falling outside as the tape whirred and the screeches and beeps of data flowed past at a heady 300 bits per second. Within moments, I was transformed from my bedroom into space as the Saturn-filled title screen dissolved into a starfield and a slowly turning Cobra Mark III spaceship. I was Commander Fagi. Homed at Lave Space Station, I had 100 credits and a mission. I was destined to be elite. But superheroes don't play the game, they make the game. And I spent the next 30 years honing my craft. I travelled the world, learned from the best, tried, failed, and tried again. Eventually I learned that defeating the biggest challenges require more than individuals. It needs a team. And so we assembled and we went to battle. Today we face our challenges and we defeat them together. To be the best, you have to work with the best. We are Webbies, and hacking is our superpower.